See? I told you she's turned on. I knew this would get her. Pete is
You could have
sexy.
another girl.
What would you do to Pete?
Rock his world.
Do you mind that Pete's been with other girls?
No.
You can deal with that?
Yeah.
This is like the retarded bachelor. You can handle all 5 positions?
Yeah.
He
Oh
goes,
God, we have to do that reality show, Retarded Bachelor.
hey, Robin, it's already being produced for Howard TV. I'm in talks right now with Howard TV.
Oh my God.